Alright, this is OBX Dude with OBX Places to Stop. If you turn off the bypass on Kitty Hawk Road, beside 7-Eleven, and go all the way to the end, you didn't know we had a cemetery here. Turn right by the cemetery. How many people out there are dead? All of them. You come to the end of this road here and you take a right. You're gonna see it's a dead end. Please bear with me here just a minute. This may be a place you want to stop. What this is it's a hiking trail here in Kitty Hawk Woods. People don't realize we have a maritime forest here on the Outer Banks, but we do. Bear with me just a minute. There's actually a path from the 7-Eleven out on the bypass by Kitty Hawk School. All this is a hiking path the whole way down by the cemetery back there. Come down the road here. Please watch your speed through here. These local people have kids. They're working, trying to pay bills. I think it's 25. There's nowhere on the Outer Banks besides the bypass that's over 25. Every back road is 25 and less. We're gonna get to the end here. Y'all please bear with me just a minute. It's not much parking. You gotta try to find a place to pull over. You got a little park here, but it's private. As you see right there, private property. Notice, not open to the public. Oh, play at your own risk. Yes, that's not open to the public. You're back here in the woods. Back here in Kitty Hawk Woods. It's nice back here. It's definitely a wintertime trip. Got a lost dog. Kitty Hawk Woods. No ATVs. North Carolina Coastal Reserve. Please, no vandalism. Why do people insist on doing this stuff? It ruins it for everybody else. Teach your kids and your grandkids and your family. It's beautiful. It's nice back here. And if you keep hiking it, this trail goes all the way through to the Chevrolet dealer out on the bypass. All the way through. It's well worn. Bikes, I'm sure, are allowed. There's no ATVs. The path is well marked. But in the summertime, be sure to bring your bug spray. Watch out for critters. It's well worn. You can't miss it. A big old hickory. But this is Kitty Hawk Woods. Deep in the forest. Stop and listen. All you hear is the wind blowing through the trees. Big trees. Please leave no litter. Here we go. There it is again, all about the loblolly pine. All right, beech trees, pine trees. Here's another marker, see? Bring your hiking boots, bring you a drink of water, bring you some bug spray. Come take yourself a few minutes hike down through the woods. I've never timed myself. I don't know how long it takes to do the whole trail. But it is nice back here. Quiet. Not everybody wants to go to the beach. Maybe you've been to the beach and you want something different. Maybe you want to come walk down through the middle of the forest on the Outer Banks, which a lot of people don't even know existed. All right. There's a holly tree. Got a cedar tree. Here's a plaque telling you about the dragonflies. There's a piece of paper on the tree down there. I'm not sure what it's all about. Oh, there's another marker. You can almost see it from one marker to the other. See down through the forest. That's a place you may want to stop. Feel free to email me, obxdudemp16@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. All right, Kitty Hawk Woods, a place you may want to stop on your trip to the Outer Banks. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.